Paris isn't just a backdrop for Tokito Oda, it's the stage where dreams turn into reality. Tokito Oda, an 18-year-old wheelchair tennis sensation, shares a deep bond with Paris. Named after the iconic Arc de Triomphe, this city isn't just a location for him, it's a symbol of his remarkable journey. Diagnosed with bone cancer at 9, Oda found his spark watching Shingo Kunieda at the London 2012 Paralympics. Fast forward and he's clinched 2 Grand Slam titles at the French Open. Now he's eyeing the Paris 2024 Paralympics, marking his debut on this grand stage. Oda's rise to fame is nothing short of extraordinary. He became the youngest boys world #1, a Grand Slam champion, and a passionate advocate for his sport. He even organizes junior tournaments to inspire the next generation. As the Paralympic tournament kicks off at Roland Garros, Oda faces top contenders like Alfie Hewitt and Gustavo Fernandez. These matches promise exceptional talent and determination, captivating audiences worldwide. Stay tuned, because for Oda, Paris isn't just a city, it's the heart of his journey.